United Workers' Party candidate for Castries South, Tommy Descott, made a major announcement during a recent political rally, unveiling plans to help more Saint Lucians become homeowners. Descott said that one of the biggest challenges for many people seeking home loans is coming up with the initial deposit. To tackle this, he promised that if the UWP government won, they would cover the deposits for young people who want to build homes in Saint Lucia.
The United Workers' Party will set aside $20 million from the CIP so that you can use it as deposits when you go and apply for a loan. Now, that will transform your life.
According to Descott, the party intends to launch a housing program that will make it easier for young people to own property, using funds from the Citizenship by Investment Program CIP. He explains that $20 million would be set aside to support this initiative, helping applicants qualify for housing loans. Descott added that this $20 million could help unlock as much as $400 million in financing within the banking sector, giving more citizens access to affordable mortgages. He also said the UWP would seek to negotiate lower interest rates with local banks and credit unions.
What we will do with $20 million, we will unlock $400 million in the banking sector for you.
In response, Social Society commentator Richard Peterkin told NBC Prime that the proposal could benefit many Saint Lucians, especially if it successfully reduces mortgage rates. However, he expressed some doubts that rates could be lowered much more than they already are.
I think it would be a good program if it could bring mortgage rates down. I do not believe they can come down that much further at this point in time, but I do understand there's a lot of liquidity, so there is some scope for it. But I also believe that we need to approach the cost of acquiring and building houses and the extent to which some of those costs can be rolled into the loans, so that even if the rate had to stay at around 6, it would still be affordable.
Peterkin added that if CIP funds are used to address the challenges young people face in today's economy, it would be a welcome move, as many continue to struggle financially. He noted that using such funds for social programs could have a positive impact on the country's future.
We have a majority of young people. A lot of them are making salaries and wages that do not allow them to afford the cost of housing, which is going up and up and up, the cost to build, the cost to buy. And so it's very difficult to make ends meet. And the extent to which we can use CIP for social programs like that would certainly be in good stead. Now, I'm not, it may well be that there are existing arrangements for the use of the CIP like that. I'm not aware of it. But if, in fact, we could put CIP into funding into some of the institutions that are mortgage lenders that would pick up some of those costs that are high, then that would be a good result as well.
Still, Peterkin cautioned that the success of such a program would depend on proper management, transparency, and collaboration with financial institutions to ensure the funds are used effectively. Chloe Dantes, NBC Prime.